Good morning. Good morning. It's Friday, and I have so much on my heart that I want to share with you. It has been a crazy week around here. I've been sick, chaos, coming back from a trip, getting ready to go on another trip today. And I just think that so often we can get to the end of the week and we are exhausted. We are overwhelmed. We feel like we haven't gotten it all done, right? And that's okay. And that's super common. And I just want to give you a little glimpse into the practices that I teach and the practices that I do that really have the power to change everything in regards to what I'm talking about, the overwhelm. I'm just going to settle in here. The overwhelm, the, frustration, the exhaustion, the I didn't get it all done feelings. And it's, my book of proof, which I do every morning. And what I have you guys do in this and what I do every day is write down proof that life is happening for me. Because I think that, we always think that life is happening to us. We are hyper focused on the things that are going wrong. And that is absolutely normal. That is how your brain is designed. Your brain is designed to protect you, to give you the ability to survive. Right? So, me, I geek out on like all the neuroscience stuff, and we literally have millions, hear me on this, millions of bits of information that our brain attempts to process every single second. And because we are designed to survive, then our brain grabs onto the things that are dangerous, that threaten us. And that can even be, comparison on social media or feeling like we're not doing enough. We're not living up to our task list. And so we have to program our brain to pay attention to the things that are working in our favor. And guys, there are things working in your favor every single second of every single day. There is beauty everywhere, synchronicities happening every day. But if we don't program our minds to pay attention to those, to grab a hold of those bits of information, then we lose them. They literally don't get filed in our mind. So as we start to condition our mind, and this is, the science behind keeping a gratitude journal, but this is a little different. This is proof that in your life, multiple things literally happen every single day to prove to you that your goals are coming to fruition, that you are living into the vision you want for your life. But, they're not the things that are broader in concept. They're not, I'm grateful for my house. I'm grateful for my kids. I mean, we can all write the same 5 things every single day, and they're the same things. We're looking for new experiences every single day. And when you start to program your mind to pay attention to these things, you start to notice your child in the seat next to you giggling about something. Because you're remembering, I have to write 5 things down every day. So you are subconsciously paying attention a lot more. On the drive home from school today, I was paying attention to the beautiful palm trees that were planted on the road home. How many days do I drive down that road and never pay attention to the beauty of the palm trees? And I want to end with this because this is so powerful. And it is literally one of my favorite moments of every single week. And I actually added it on after years of keeping a journal like this, proof that life is happening for me. Here's how we are going to solidify in your mind all of the blessings that are happening in your life every single day. Read back over last week's proof. What was your biggest win of last week? And so in that moment, and this takes minutes, you're flipping back and you're reading the daily proof for the last 7 days of the things that have shown up in your favor, which every time I do this, I have forgotten 80% of it, guys. I might remember the really big things that you can't deny. I've done this for 7 days this week, right? So 35 little miracles, right? 35 moments, 35 blessings, 35 things that have happened literally in the last week that 5 minutes ago, I was thinking was overwhelming, was stressful, that I didn't get everything done. All of a sudden, just like that, I'm reading the 5 things that happened on Friday, going back, the 5 things that happened on Thursday, looking back, the 5 things that happened on Wednesday. the 5 things. I'm reading this right now, guys. I'm just glancing through it. I wouldn't have remembered any of this. So in the moments where I reflect back and review the proof, the daily proof that life is in fact happening for me, I am instantly just transported to this place of wonder, of amazement, of feeling so incredibly blessed, so incredibly lucky. Now I got to figure out what the best one was. Often I got to squeeze into the margin, 2 or 3 things, because I can't deny these 2 or 3 things that were just beyond like magical. Right? And 5 minutes ago, I was feeling stressed, overwhelmed, unaccomplished, behind. I mean, literally, this was me 5 minutes ago in real life. But I get to write down what was the biggest win of last week. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll just flip back through the weeks and I'll read the biggest wins of the last 6, 8, 10 weeks. And after I do that, I am like blown away at my life, blown away at how God and the universe shows up every single day. You guys, it takes 5 minutes in the morning. It takes an intention. It takes effort, but we have got to flex the muscle of really, truly rewiring our brain, reprogramming our subconscious. That is how you step into becoming somebody that notices the little miracles, somebody that walks in their front door and notices the plants, and how beautiful they are by the front door. Somebody that walks in and notices that there was 1 pod left of cinnamon coffee and oh my gosh, I get to have that cup of coffee. Remember when I was talking about the millions of things that attempt to come into our brain and be processed every single second? You start to program your brain to capture all the miracles and all the goodness. And then you start to show up with gratitude. You start to show up with intentionality. You start to bring the light. You start to create these beautiful moments by bringing the right energy into the room. 5 minutes every single morning to transform your entire life.